Today we will be discussing about the right circular cylinder. When you consider a cylinder, it has got a circular cross section. The base area will be circular. If you want to have the curved surface area of a cylinder, we call it CSA, curved surface area of a cylinder, you have to consider the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. What is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r, where r is the radius. You should know by multiplying the circumference and the height, then it is called curved surface area. So we call it 2 pi r h. So what about the cross section of the cylinder? It is circle. So it is the circumference of the cross section, that is 2 pi r, into height. Suppose if the cylinder is kept like this, then we can call it, instead of h, L also. So in that case, this is 2 pi r into L. So you can either call 2 pi r into h when it is kept in a vertical manner. But when it is rolled down like this, then it can be called a 2 pi r L. So conveniently you can replace h by L also, based on the circumstances. Now we are interested to calculate the total surface area of a cylinder. In that case, you had to consider the bottom surface area and the top surface area also. So what about the bottom surface area? That is pi r squared, being a circle. And you have got another pi r squared here. You know very well this is called CSA. Now what is the total surface area? CSA plus bottom surface area plus upper surface area. You can call it USA, and this is BSA. Therefore, what is this CSA, curved surface area or lateral surface area of the cylinder? That is curved surface area cylinder, 2 pi r h, plus you have got pi r squared and another pi r squared. So totally 2 pi r squared. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared. Now we can call it 2 pi r can be taken outside the bracket, is it not? So 2 pi r taking GCD. When you take GCD outside the bracket, you have to divide by the same term. So you have h plus r. Therefore, TSA is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Okay. So this is regarding the surface area of a cylinder. Suppose if we are interested in volume, of the cylinder. So this can be represented by V. So in the case of volume, you have to consider the area of cross section. Area of cross section. So you have the cylinder like this. Now what is the area of cross section? That is the base area, pi r squared into h. So V is equal to pi r squared into h. So this is the volume of the cylinder. So pi r squared h is the volume of the cylinder. Are you able to understand this? So we had discussed the two important aspects of cylinder. You may ask me why it is called a right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder, because you may have a cylinder like this also, is it not? In a tilted manner like this. Okay. So it has to be erect, that is 90 degree here, and that is why it is called right circular cylinder. Do you understand this? Now we will work out some problems based on this. Okay.